Hey guys, so in this video let's discuss about let's summarize all the 5 prompting techniques we discussed, and then also understand the use cases of these prompting techniques in our day-to-day life, because we are going to discuss maybe few more prompting techniques, maybe 5 more or 6 more. It depends upon the flow I go in. So, and obviously I'll cover all the important ones. So before we actually move forward, I just wanted to say the real life use cases. You might be confusing by bombarding with these techniques. You might be feeling, what are these, man? Like, Avinash, what are you even saying all this? Why are we even thinking all this? We got a prompt format. We got 500 prompts. We can just copy, paste and get things done. Why are we even learning all this? Because, giving you the prompt format is okay, good. Giving you this 500 mega progressive prompts is also good, but this might not be enough. You might be placed in a situation where this prompt format might not work, or the 500 prompts, you might not have the exact prompt you need in those 500 mega prompts. Like, this might help you to kickstart, but to actually make you understand how we are actually creating prompts, formatting prompts and everything, and to make you as a certified prompt engineer and make the best in the world, you need to learn this, right? So let's summarize the entire thing. I know it's a overload of a data. So let's talk what is zero-shot prompting again. AI answering prompts without any prior examples. That's zero-shot prompting. So use cases is like quick factual queries. Right now, I know large language models are not good at giving facts, but eventually, if you need one-word answers or basic stuff, you can use zero-shot prompting. And some trivia games, single-turn task, all those are the use cases of the zero-shot prompting. Few-shot prompting. AI use limited examples to guide responses, right? Examples, like we give 2-3 examples so that it can understand what we are looking for in a better way and give us responses accordingly. So use cases when we chatbots. Imagine a Starbucks is building a chatbot for the customer service to order food or anything. So they are like, different questions like the chatbot can face from the users. But if the answer is almost same for few of the questions, it need to say or something like that. If it needs to answer in such a way, we need to give some few short examples, right? It can be few short COT also, which we'll discuss. Like, say, if someone say this, like if someone asks about the price of this, you need to say, or someone say if the shop is open right now, you need to say this. And the same question can be asked by something like if the store is open, if the shop is open, are you guys open today? It can be these 3 things, right? So now you're giving yes, we are open, or some response for everything. So now AI quickly understands, okay, my client wants to answer yes for any of the similar questions. Now out of these 3 questions, even if someone asks the 4th question, which is like almost similar, the answer will be the same. So that's how we train AI chatbots to be answering in a perfect way. So chatbot training is one good use case that I could think of for few shot. And apart from that, it can be for customer service bots, it can be language translation, because sometimes when you are incorporating NLPs, language translation need few short examples and all that. Again guys, in few shot we have 1 shot, 2 shot, 3 shot, 4 shot, 5 shot, 2. 1 shot is nothing but 0 shot, or like 1 example, sorry. 2 shot is like you're giving 2 examples. 3 shot is like you're giving 3, and 4. And maximum you could give for a large language model like ChatGPT is 4. Beyond that, it's not that great. ChatGPT is intelligent enough to understand and figure out patterns from the 3 to 4 examples and guide your response accordingly, right? So COT is like AI produces intermediary reasoning steps for multi-step problems, guiding the models towards more accurate final answer. They're taking few short, but then giving answers in a more explainable way. It's explaining why it is the answer, or it is guiding AI to think step by step. So that's chain of thoughting. It can be both. It can be dividing bigger problem into small equal halves, or it can be just guiding AI to think step by step. Either you give your prompt step by step, or ask AI, give one whole prompt or one bigger task and ask AI to think step by step. Both are chain of thought only. Different definitions, different research papers quote it different way, but I feel, in my opinion, both are chain of thoughts. So chain of thought will be good for long form content. Like, you can't write the whole blog post or a movie script or a book script from just one single prompt. It's like not good. So chain of thought, what you do is you are just making things into chunks. And also sometimes, imagine you wanted to create a character. So you are dividing character by character, 8 different characters, and if you want that character to be like any other character in some movie, you can just go quickly Google that particular character, get the description and give it as an example. So you're adding thought and giving more information about your character and dividing 8 different characters into 8 different prompts. So that is also chain of thought. So few shot and chain of thought can go hand in hand. So that's why it's few shots chain of thought also. So when you do chain of thought and give multiple examples and multiple steps, even that is chain of thought plus few shot. Like, that's basically combining few shot and chain of thought, right? So chain of thought basically is giving it more guidance, and if you add few shot, it becomes multiple examples, right? You give multiple examples plus explanation beyond few shot, like more guidance. That's combination of few shot and chain of thought. But then, yeah, basically that's it. Yeah, there is no but. I know it's complex, but I think I explained you in a good way. But you can still ask me more questions, in live if you're a little confused. So I can just explain you a bit more. Generated knowledge prompting. AI creates and integrates knowledge statements for better predictions. So you're just asking few questions before actually giving it to the prompt. So this helps to prime and get AI to a tone, right? It can be for the research assistants, for detailed report writing, complex Q&A questions, educational content creation. This is the general use cases. And then least to most prompting, AI addresses complex problems with progressively specific prompts. Small questions first, and then to address the complex problem at the end. So complex problem solving, technical report writing, multi-step instructional content, coding help, advanced chatbots are few use cases for the least to most prompting. These are the 5 prompts, guys, and their use cases. And we'll be talking about different prompting methods again, but these are like most important and very hugely talked about prompting techniques in general. And remember, few shot and chain of thought are 2 different things, but people use it in the combination also. You can use few shot only by giving 3-4 example, and then you can only use chain of thought by not giving examples but dividing tasks, but you can still combine few shot plus chain of thought. In the previous video where we are talking about few shot or chain of thought especially, we have a separate image difference between 0 shot, few shot, chain of thought, and then few shot chain of thought. If you want it to be explained in a perfect way, I think you can quickly hop into that video, and it will definitely make sense if you watch that again, the third chain of thought again right now. So I guess that's it, guys, for this video. See you in the next video. Thanks. Bye-bye.